Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. So in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my Fall FabFitFun box. So if you wanna see what I got, then let's get right into the video. Alright, so this is my box that I got just today. And it definitely has fall colors. I do like the box design, and right here on the corner it says City of Hope, so I'm assuming they team up together for this season's box. And let's just open it. Okay, it's actually really pretty inside as well. I really like these boxes. And as always, you get the magazine, and then this time it looks like Meghan Trainor is the face of this FabFitFun box. And I always just go straight to the page that tells you the products that we're getting in the box. And I got the chance to customize a lot of the items, so I hope I got them. But there's always a few that are supposed to be a surprise, so I'm excited to see what I got. Okay, so here is the section that tells you what's in the box. So this fall box, the value, it's supposed to range from $211 to $345 with 99 cents. To make everything go faster, I'm just gonna randomly pick items out of the box, and then I'll look them up on the little magazine to see what the value is and if it was worth it or not. So right away I see this Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask. And this is the packaging outside. I have been wanting to try this brand, and this is the first time that I'm getting something from them, so I'm really excited that they are in the box. So you basically get 6 pairs of little under eye patches. I'm not gonna open it because once you open them you have to use them, but these ones retail for, let's see, so this is 5B. So this little box retails for $25, so that it's definitely a great deal. The next product that I'm grabbing from the box is this one right here. This is by Human Plus Kind skincare with a conscious, and it's supposed to be a body lotion. I can never have enough body lotion, so I'm really excited that we got this. I have really dry skin, you guys, so for me, anything moisturizing, give it to me. Okay, I got a little bit out just to test it out. Smells really good. Okay, I think I really like that already. Let's see. So this is a lightly whip for the ultimate in kindness Human Plus Kind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. I guess that's how you call it, but it is like a body cream, and it says that it's quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Okay, I can definitely use this. So this one retails for $18, and it has 6.76 fluid ounces. It's a pretty decent size. You can see it right here compared to my face, and yeah, I can't wait to try it. So the next product that I got is this one right here, and this is by Skin Bulb. This is a body boost gel that it's supposed to be good for toning, firming, and smoothing pre-workout activator. So I do remember selecting this item because I was very intrigued. It says that you're supposed to use before any workout, and you can apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms. And I guess it's supposed to tingle, but at the end it's supposed to help you tone those areas, and I guess give you a better boost so that they are more firm when you work out. I don't know. I definitely will try it out and let you guys know, but this one alone retails for $45. So I mean, that's kind of expensive, and it only has 5 fluid ounces. I'll let you guys know how it works out. I mean, I'm very skeptical about this kind of products, but if it helps, why not? So next up, I got this Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals, and apparently you can just add a small amount of this little powder. I believe it's a powder because it does have that opening. I'm not gonna open it right now because I don't want to make a mess, but you're supposed to add a little bit of this into your moisturizer or serum at nighttime, and this one retails for $54. So that is definitely quite expensive, and you get 0.2 ounces. So it's definitely a little bit of product. So from what I read online, you're only supposed to mix a little bit of this powder into your nighttime moisturizer or serum, because this is supposed to be pure vitamin C, or it's concentrated, so you don't need a lot. So it makes sense that it only has 0.2 ounces. It is definitely expensive, so I'm really happy that I got this in the box. It's $54 alone, so that definitely is already more than what I paid for the box. So I'll definitely be using that up. Okay, so the next product that I got is this Harper Plus Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes, and it says that you can use this sugar cubes to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, and it's supposed to have a yummy scent. Oh my goodness, this smells, I don't know, like green apple. I'm sure there's something else, but it definitely smells like green apple, but it's a little bit sweeter, so I'm assuming it has something else. But this is what the little cubes look like. That's just one. It only has, let's see, it only has 2, 4, 6, 8 cubes, so it's only gonna last you for 8 showers, but I'm willing to try it. I'm always exfoliating my skin, so definitely very excited about this. Oh, and this one retails for $16, so I mean, that's good. And next, I got this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It's infused with quinoa, protein, macadamia oil, and soy that instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. So that sounds really good. And apparently this is a leave-in treatment, so you can apply it right after washing your hair, and I guess just style your hair as normal. So I'm always styling my hair, but I normally do use a spray heat protection. So let's see how this one works out. It smells really good, and this one retails for $30. Okay, that's expensive, and it only has 3.4 fluid ounces. I'm always using hot tools on my hair, so I definitely want to protect it from the heat. So that's really good that I got that. All right, so next up, I got this Kate Spade lunch tote, and this is just a regular lunch pail, I guess, but I did pick it up or selected it just because I thought it was super cute, and anything Kate Spade honestly is super cute. I love the little dots details on the tote, but this is very small. Look at this size. It's very small. I think online it definitely look a lot bigger. I don't think I can fit any of my containers in here, but I still think it's super cute, and I got it because I think getting it in the box, it was like $10 to $15 as opposed to buying it directly online. It was like double the price, so I said why not. But if I would have known that it was this small, maybe I would have picked something else, but it's still cute. I mean, you can still put something small in here, and it is definitely insulated. It feels really good quality, but I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but still, I mean, it's Kate Spade, so it's cute. So we're down to the last item in the box, and this is probably what I was most excited about. I really love this bag, especially the color. It's perfect for when you want to travel with it, and this is what I got. Guys, just this alone, I think it was so expensive. Let me get it out of the wrapping so that it doesn't make that much noise. And this is by Amika. This is their Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. And it says, have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. And the retail value of this is $80. I don't need another flat iron, but it was an option in the box, and you never know, mine can break anytime, and at least I have a backup, and it's $80. So I think that is so amazing. I seriously don't understand how FabFitFun Box does it, because if I were to add everything up, it's definitely gonna be so much more than what I paid for the box. but I really like this. This is super cute. I love the color though. It's super cute, and the plates are actually black, which is different than the other flat irons that I've had in the past. So I really like this. The quality feels really good. You do get the little on and off switch right here, and apparently this is how you can control the temperature, and it goes up to 450 Fahrenheit degrees. I'm really happy that I selected this in the box. I mean, that alone, it's way more than what I paid for the box. So I'm really happy that I got it. Super cute. I love the color. And let me just give you the value of everything that I got in my box. So it looks like everything adds up to $298. So that is amazing, knowing that I only paid $50 plus the tax and whatever other fees they charge you. So I think it's still a very great deal, probably one of the best deals in most subscription boxes. So I'm really happy with everything that I got. But let me just show you a couple items that I did add on to my box that I paid separately for them, just because they do give you a discount. So the first product that I got are these Nasif MD detox pads, and this ones retail for $45, and they're supposed to just deep clean and exfoliate your skin, and they help you by softening lines and wrinkles. And this is actually the famous surgeon by the last name Nasif from Beverly Hills, so I thought why not to try them. And plus I think I got him for like, I forgot, like $15, but it was a crazy discount. So I'm such a skincare junkie, so I definitely wanted to check them out. I also ended up adding on this beauty blender solid cleanser that you can use for your beauty sponge or makeup brushes. I love to use this ones when I travel so that I don't take a liquid soap to wash my beauty blender or beauty sponge, makeup brushes when I'm on the go. This is definitely very useful. I also ended up adding this Trestique. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that brand right, but these are mini eye essentials, and I really like them because they're super tiny and they just look very easy to use. They come in 4 different shades, as you can see right here in the box. So I thought I would try them, and they retail for, let me see, $48, and I think I got them for like $10 or $15. So I said, why not? And the last product that I added to my box is this black eye mask that have hyaluronic acid, and this is what they look like. I think I picked them up for like $10 or so, $10-15, but it's supposed to have 5 pairs. But that is everything that I got in my Fall FabFitFun box. I always get excited with this box because you get a random selection from beauty products, fitness products, skincare products. So I definitely love this box for that specific reason. And just like I said, the value that you get in the products is definitely a super steal and a great value. Let me know if you guys like this kind of videos. I don't think I filmed my summer FabFitFun box, but I did get it. So just let me know if you guys want to continue watching these videos. I personally love watching other people's videos unboxing their FabFitFun box. So I said, why not? Let me just film it today since I just got my box. But let me know. I always appreciate your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.